Microsoft is retiring Publisher. It will no longer be supported after October 2026. You can convert your Publisher files to Adobe Express projects for editing and sharing. Here's how. Step 1. Save as PDF in Publisher. Open your file in Publisher. Select File in the top left corner. Choose Save As. Navigate to your desired save location and edit the file name if needed. From the File Type drop-down menu, select PDF. Select Save. Step 2 is to import your file into Adobe Express. Open Adobe Express in your browser. From the home page, select the plus symbol in the left side menu. Choose Upload Media. Locate the PDF file you saved and double-click it or select Open. Your file will now be converted to an Adobe Express project. Step 3. Edit in Adobe Express. Once uploaded, you can edit the document in Adobe Express. Note, if your original document used text effects in Publisher, you might need to replace these with text boxes. Normal text should be editable. Now you can convert and edit your Publisher files in Adobe Express.